Good morning. Now I'm leaving Salzburg and it's so sunny. I'm gonna be sad leaving this place, but I'm sure I'm gonna be back. So good morning here in Salzburg, Bahnhof or Salzburg Central Station. I'm going to Prague, Czech Republic, and I'm gonna show to you how to get there via train from here to Prague. So there's no direct train going to Prague from Salzburg. So you're gonna need to exchange at Linz, HBF. My train is scheduled at 10:10, so it's still not here. So I'm gonna do an interchange at Linz, and then from there, I'm gonna take the train going to Prague, Czech Republic. And I purchased the train tickets online ahead of time because it's cheaper. There's like a 40 to 50 euro difference when you pay it like few days before. So I purchased it 3 months before, so it was $40, 40 euro cheaper. So the train station is spacious and less people. So my train is finally on the screen. It's RJ691 going to Wien. Going to Linz Interchange, but I think that's the one because it's RJ691.
Und die Business Class befinden sich in Sektor A. Dieser Zug fällt zwischen den Hauptbahnhöfen.
So make sure you check if it's the right train, because sometimes the train that is on your platform, it's not the train that you're going to. It's just before or after. No, usually it's before the train that you have to hop on. I think, but this one, I think this is the one. So make sure it's written on the train. So 6691. So this is the one. Usually you are assigned on a wagon and a seat. So I'm wagon 22 and seat 41. So I think this is 22, so I'll be here. 22. Is there a charger? No, there's not.
Als Dame war es mir so weit, haben wir geschaut, wir haben so 26 Grad gestellt gehabt, aber dann habe ich gesagt, so.
No, I not a phone. So I'm here in Linz, so there is like 10 minutes only for my next train going to Prague, and it's in platform 1, A to B. It's a long way walk, but we can manage. Hopefully there's still plenty of seat because it's not a reserved seat. So that's the train. It's platform 1, A to B. By the way, some countries in Europe, make sure if you check the platform, check the letters as well, or the carriage or the wagon assigned to you, because some of the train was split. Like this one, it's platform 1, A to B, and C to F will go to different direction or different destination. So the trains were split, so make sure you board on the correct platform and correct wagon or letters. Oh, there's no one here. Amazing. So basically they're empty, so I can choose whichever one I want to sit. This is so Harry Potter. Has anyone seen it? So no one here, so basically you can choose wherever I want to sit, I think. And this is so Harry Potter. Look. Has anyone seen a town? a boy named Neville has lost it. It's so Harry Potter. I think I want to choose this. Linz to Prague. Oh, reserve. Gosh. It says reserve. I don't know where it's not reserved. Which one is not reserved? So, I was wrong. The wagon or the carriage that I went to previously was for reserved seats. Now I'm here. I think this is not reserved. It looks like it's just economy. So it's empty again. I hope this is the right one. I think this is the right. There's no reserved seat or anything.